Hey, what's up guys and welcome to what was this show called? Project Review. So let's get started. We are back after like a year, I don't know, 11 months. That is crazy. Like I did a live stream, but as a video it has been 11 months. Let's see how many submissions we have got. 17. Anyway, let's start. So I think 17 can be done in a video. So let's review all of the projects. So all of you who have submitted, you are lucky this time. So let's start with the first one. Flappy Bird Koth Practical by Krishna 1602. So easy. Oh bro. Okay, this is too easy. This was too easy bro. Let's try normal. Okay, nice. This is not normal. This was very easy. Let's see tough. Okay, bro. Tough. This was tough. This guy does not know what tough means. Let's see it as a Flappy Bird clone. So if we start the game, these buttons are dead. Like, have some animation, bro. Okay. The logo has some effect. That is nice. The background looks good. The bird looks amazing, I would say. And the animation is nice. Okay. The game over screen can be improved. Like, this is not like a Flappy Bird, but it's not bad. Like, what else can you add? A restart button you can add. That is all. I cannot say much about this. It is nice. It works. It is bug free as far as I see. So yeah, it is good. Let's move on to the next project. Okay, so Cube Dudes by Scratch Boy PvP. Let's see this. If you are new, click this first. Ooh, the animations are so good. Okay. Oh, you win now. Upgrade. Okay, nice. Sword deals 1 damage. Bro, why can't I click? Okay, so that was already unlocked. Okay, let's go. I got an extra heart or something. I didn't see what it was. Just an extra life. Okay. In the game upgrades. Now I get it. Sword blocks arrows. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it does. Okay. Sword deals 2 damage. Okay, let's see. Bruh. Okay. This game is fun. Like, I like this. I like this a lot. I'm not sure why I'm getting the life thing multiple times. Like, see, every time I have this available. This might be a bug. Okay, let's see hammer. Ooh, comically large hammer. Okay, it's already comically large, bro. Okay, I can't lose, I think. Let's see the last upgrade. Okay, I lost. This game is amazing. Like, amazing. The sound effects are so good. The start menu animations are so good. The gameplay is so fun. Like, you get multiple upgrades every randomly. Like, you get power-ups, you get like different kind of enemies, different styles. I like this game a lot. One thing you can improve is this movement. This is not very fluid, it is very clunky, and fix this bug like the save gets extra life thing. Let's move on to the next project. Okay, so Abin OS 1.3 by Abhinava 14. Scratch virtual machine. Okay. Booting OS, bro. The formality loading. Okay, personalization. Nah, this does not look good. What is this color, bro? Okay, light theme, I can choose dark. Setting or settings. Okay, my files library. How can I open this? What is this? I can't open a file. I can't create a file in full screen mode at least. Even in small mode, I cannot. What is the point of this? We have command line. Okay, let me try. LIBRARY. Okay, let's see. Did not work. TME for time. Okay, damn. So useful. Amazing. How do I close this? EXT. Okay, bro. And shut down. Restart or shut down. It did not even ask. It just chose something randomly in between. It did not fully restart or shut down. Like, you can still have some apps open, but the rest of the window is closed. Like, What is going on? What are these icons? This is not even centered properly. As well as what is this icon like 3 stars? How does that represent settings? Other than terminal, basically nothing is useful in this. So please add something. Let's move on to the next project. Just Engine 3 by AC Gaming. Okay. F refuel, up down, brake gas, left right, shift. Okay. Ooh, nice. So I was lost in the game. It is amazing, but look at this. If I just keep pressing I, it will just keep starting. Like what? Okay, we can change cars. I didn't see that. Ooh, here we go. Okay, 6th gear, here we go. So it is amazing. I like it a lot. I was actually enjoying this. 10 out of 10. Like, I liked it. I'm also favoriting it. Amazing. Let's move on to the next project. The Claw Machine, remixed by a Fresh Day dev. Let's see this one. Okay, let's see. Animation, I think.
Oh, look. It's a claw machine.
I think they did not really change anything. I feel like, let's see the original one.
Oh, look. It's a claw machine. What do you think I'll get? I don't know. Try getting that box, I guess.
Oh, so they just changed the dialogue of the second guy, and that is a remix, bro. But whatever, the original animation is amazing though. So, as it hasn't really changed, and your voiceover did not really sound good at all, I cannot really review this. Let's move on to the next project. Tali Stroll House by Kingslar RZ. Okay, let's see. Tell your friends to play about this epic game. Okay, bro. Okay, chill. Troll House, Tali has come to scratch. Can you get it all 6 Uno reverses before he catches you? Okay, bro. Too easy of a game. That guy is slower than anything, bro. Like, it is getting faster, but I am basically done with the level, bro. And it's still moving somehow. Let me play another mode. How is this not banned, bro? How is this possible? One has got some beef with you. Can you kill one? Okay, let's see. What is that, bro? Touch me to damage too. Okay. Bomb, you lost. I should have played only the first part. So if we come for the review, this game is fun, I would say. For some, it is fun, I would say. Like, one has got some beef with you. Can you kill one before he kills you? Like, there is some story to it. I like the troll house as well. Even though the enemy was slow, it is nice. So I think this is a really good game. But if you are like new to Scratch, this is even better. Like, if you learn Scratch and make this game again, this is going to be amazing. So yeah, this game is not actually bad. Just fix some bugs like this one. Let's move on to the next project. Dicey Boy by Wind 10 Rocks. Okay, Dicey Boy. Ooh, that is nice. The button is amazing. Okay, let's play. Ooh, okay, I get it now. Okay, here we go. It's like Tetris, but upwards. Okay, I lost. I mean, this is a very simple game, but this is amazing. Look at the start menu. That is amazing. If you see the gameplay, the animations and everything is nice. The movement is a bit clunky. Like, why is it slow and like not much responsive? The game is amazing. Like, very polished, I would say. My suggestion would be to like put some setting icons here and make the heart animation better. Like, this is not that great compared to the other game. Like the game looks much better than what this animation looks like. And also change the heart design. These are so custom and this is like basic scratch heart. So change that to match the overall style of the game. Also put WASD controls. I cannot always use arrow keys. Like most people nowadays play games using WASD. So use that. Let's move on to the next project. Scratch Boss Rush by Timoth23. Let's see. Choose a boss, set difficulty. Okay, one. Wiggle is the one. What is that sound, bro? What is going on? Let me try again. Okay, it is working. Okay. Bro, what? 32 health for 1 second. I was on it. And it's like 32, bro. What? Okay, I can jump on it for some reason. Okay, we are winning, guys. Oh! 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 Bro, what? Nah. The game is rigged, bro. I was on it, right? It moved upward and I died. What? Either the physics system is broken or I don't know, bro. This game is rigged or something. So for the review, what is this start menu, bro? Choose a boss, set and put buttons. What is this UI? Like, this looks like an instruction screen. The design is not that good, honestly, of the enemy, but fine. And if you see, this is amazing. UI is amazing. The font, somehow you have made it. It's amazing, bro. Like if I lose, let me show you. So good. So good. Then we have this again. Like what? Try again. Dash R. Put a button. So let's move on to the next project. Fruity Catcher 1.4. Mobile friendly by something. Let's see. Click on this to leave. This is Fruity Catcher. What's new? New counter, new secrets, something. Wobbly bucket. What is, where is the play button? Is this the play button? What is going on? What is going on? Now that was the most confusing Fruit Ninja I've ever played. First of all, what is this? This does not even look good. The tree in the actual start menu is amazing. And why is there click on this to leave instead of start the game? This means that you are leaving the game, bro. Also, look at this game. They randomly spawn out of nowhere. And the fruit falls from the sky for some reason, and it is so fast. Like, bro, chill, I have like 5 points. Why is it so fast? Fix that, please. Yeah, that is my review. Let's move on to the next project. Was 720 Cinematic by Light Tiger 5. Let's see. Oh, nice. Amazing animation, more I would say. Amazing art. Like, let's see inside, bro. This is so good. Not even a photo, bro. This is like fully designed. That's crazy. What can I review in this? Like, it is amazing. Like, you know, I cannot really review this. I can see this, it's amazing, but yeah, let's move on to the next project. Gobble by the Daniel Pro. Let's see. Oh, that was scary. What do I do? Press spacebar to start. Okay. Okay, PacMan. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Amazing remake, I would say. Like, not much to say here. It's like reviewing PacMan. If I say anything about this, that's basically saying about PacMan. Let's move on to the next project. Okay, so Blocks Remastered by Purple Mustache. Let's see. Looks good. Okay, settings. I don't want music or SFX, but SFX I do want. Graphics, vector, pixel, vector. Okay, let's pixel. Okay, play. Already lost. Let's try again. Okay, that was fair. I can't even miss one. I missed a green one and I lost. Like, bro, what? This is not good. Reduce my points, give lives 3 lives or something, but don't do that. That is like so difficult. The game, I would say, does not really meet expectations. Like, look at the start menu, it's so amazing. And when I click on play, this is the transition, this is the gameplay, bro. What? This game is very small as well. Like, there is basically nothing. It's just a block collector game, I would say. So I can't say much. Just improve the game and do not make the character lose when it does not collect the green boxes always. And yeah, so Retro Lines Gravity SDS by Galaxy 0815X. Let's see. Let's see Snake. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Looks so good though. Like, look at this game. Looks so amazing. Okay, that's a jump pad. Okay. Like, this is so difficult to look at. Like, it's beautiful, I would say, but jumping is a chicken. And then you convert into a snake, and like, these are not even visible. Look at them. They blend with the background, bro. How can I jump that far, bro? Okay, might be jumping here. Yeah. Okay, I am not good at this game, guys. The game is amazing, but it is very difficult to understand. Like, see, that looks like a strawberry. It's jumping. And this is the most invisible enemy ever. Let's move on to the last project. Oh, so Feathered Freedom Fighters official trailer. It's a trailer or something. Let's see. I didn't really get the trailer, but yeah, I get the basic point. There is some enemy, like villain, and there is a hero. Trailer looks amazing. Like if you take it as Scratch game, it's amazing. Like, I'm pretty sure these were all designed in Scratch. That is amazing. Can we see inside in this? I don't think we can. This is amazing trailer, but I can't review this. This is just a trailer though. So anyway, this was the last episode of the second last week of Project Review. We have only 7 episodes left in the season 2 of this series that has been going for like 10 years or something, but I don't even remember. So I think we'll end the series by end of this year. Thank you so much for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.